Let's look at another verb, which is to speak, which in Spanish is hablar. I want you now to begin to switch your brain over, and we're going to start to look at how we would conjugate a verb in Spanish. So if we have the word I in English, I in Spanish is yo. You is tú, with an accent over the U. If you're taking notes, this is a good time to write some of these things down. He is él, with an accent over the E, he. Nosotros is we. It's a lot longer than the English version. You all, if I'm speaking to you plus somebody else, I would refer to you as vosotros. And ellos is they. So these are 6 subjects that are going to be able to speak. You're going to notice that hablar is that AR ending verb, the one that we're going to focus on throughout the rest of this lesson. And the stem, that raíz or that radical, that's not going to change. However, the ending of the terminación, the AR part, has to correspond with the subject. Just like I has to correspond with am, the verb, the subject has to agree with the ending of the verb. I am, you are, he is. In this case with hablar, it's going to be yo or I, hablo, I speak. Yo hablo. That ending, o, has to correspond with the yo. If you say yo, you have to have o at the end of that verb. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Tú is going to have as as the corresponding part of the verb. Tú hablas. Él habla. So just like we have I am, you are, he is, we have yo hablo, tú hablas, él habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, ellos hablan. So if you use the subject on the left, you have to use the proper ending on the right to correspond to it. For example, you could not say yo habla. That would make no sense in Spanish. That would be like saying you is. Not standard. Or nosotros hablo. Makes absolutely no sense. We am. You can't say that. Or ellos hablamos. What you have to say is ellos hablan. The an is what you have to use if it's with ellos. Vosotros habláis. Nosotros hablamos. Él habla. Tú hablas. Yo hablo. That's what it means to conjugate a verb, to match the subject on the left with the verb on the right. The verb on the right has to correspond with the subject on the left, or it will make absolutely no sense.